Good morning, children. I am Shashi Sharma from SS English Learning Center. Today I will teach you how to attempt editing. Now, editing and omission, these are must for class 9th, 10th and 11th. What are the things you have to keep in mind for this? See, there a paragraph is written and on the right side there are two fill in the blanks kind of thing. On one of the thing it will be written incorrect and the second one will be correct. Now what you have to keep in mind while attempting this question, there are many things which you should keep in mind. See, editing means that in the sentence the word is given, but that is an error. You have to find that word, underline it and think of the correct word to be put in there. And the incorrect word has to be written under the caption incorrect, and the correct word which you want to write, you have to write on the right hand side under the caption of correct. Now what are the things you have to keep in mind? How you will come to know, because you are not your English is not that good. So what tips you should keep in your mind so that it becomes easier for you to find the fault in it. See, there are many things. Usually it's only the grammatical mistakes which you can find in editing. Number one, they are whether the verbs agreement, subject verb agreement is correct or no. Suppose I am writing he play again. Now this is written in a sentence. Now we know with singular we always put s when it is the verb is given. So he plays. So you can underline the word play and write that play word under the caption of incorrect, and you can write plays under the caption of correct. Now there could be prepositions where it is written in, you have to write into, or maybe on or for or under or behind or in front, whatever, with, for, there are many prepositions. So you read the sentence twice or thrice in your you don't have to read it loudly, but keep it in mind, and you will immediately find out that something is wrong, because we are used to hear the correct English. So it always our brain tells us that something is wrong there, and that will reflect, and then you will be easily able to change the preposition if there is a mistake of preposition. Second, it could be modal, it could be conjunction, it could be adjective, or it could be adverb, anything like that, or maybe determiners, so a and the, or maybe the tenses. So these are the things which you should keep in mind while changing. For example, I say India is considered a golden sparrow. So that is wrong. India was considered as a golden this thing. So there, and one thing more, you should remember that against that captions there are written A, B, C, D, E, F. There are usually 8, half of mark each, or maybe they will give you 4 for 1 mark each. You have to keep in mind that in a sentence there will be only one single mistake which you have to find and write. And in case in the caption there are no ABCD is written and that is blank, that means in that particular sentence there is not even a single mistake. So don't try to change it. These are the things which you should keep in mind. And when you find the error, please underline it so that it becomes easier for you to write that particular word under the caption of incorrect. I hope now you understand how to attempt editing. Thank you.